Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Hello.
What's your name?
We are very warm.
Where are you from? I noticed an accent.
From France.
Oh, wow. What is it that you do?
We're vocal performer.
Vocal performers.
Yeah.
Are you related?
No, we are old friends, but we're like brother now. So we are family.
And what is your dream? What do you want to do?
Our biggest dream is to win America's Got Talent.
So this is the dream.
Yeah.
So good luck.
I'm excited. They're like mysterious looking. I like it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to see everybody put your hands up. Down, down, fall. Everybody say yeah. Everybody say whoa.
Make some of it long, talk to them, becoming my dog, this is the rhythm I can go hard with her. This is the rhythm I can go hard with her. This is the rhythm I can go fight with her. This is the rhythm I can go fight with her.